Hi everyone, welcome to SAP FICO World. In this class we will learn how to create GL master data with reference from company code to company code, and how to create GL master data manually. What is GL master data in SAP? GL account master data defines how business transactions are posted on GL accounts and how the posting data is processed. The master data for an account must exist before any postings can be made to the account. For copying GL master data from one company code to another company code, we need to follow these settings in Define Chart of Accounts and Define Account Groups. Our current company code is time. We are going to copy GL master data from SGDC. You can see here both company codes' GL length is same. It is 6 characters. Length should be same for copying. Next, account groups. You can see here except chart of accounts name remaining all details same for both company codes. For copying GL master data all fields should be same, except chart of account names. Entity code FS00. Here we have master data for SGDC company code. Now I am trying to check our current company code. We have nothing in master data. Go to SPRO. Click on IMG reference. Financial accounting. General ledger accounting. GL accounts. Master data. GL account creation and processing. Create GL accounts with reference. Here in company code field, give you company code. In reference company code field, give reference company code. Select the line and click on Save. Click on search icon below. Click on Accounts from Reference. Give from account and to account, depended on your account groups. Click OK. Go to bottom icon list and select all icon. Next, click on GL accounts from top icon list. Copying process successfully completed. Data was saved. Click OK. And click on Save. Next, enter the T code FS00. We can see here existing company code SGDC. Change to current company code. We can see the data updated. All account groups has been copied. Every field in master record automatically updated. I am going to create on more GL in fixed asset group. Here we have accounts from 2101 to 2107. Click on Create. Give GL number 2108. Select Fixed Assets in Account Group. Select Balance Sheet Account. Enter account name in short text and long text. Click on Control Data. Select only balances in local currency and line item display. Short key 001. Posting date. Next, select Create Bank Interest. Select Field Status Group G001. Click on Save. 2108 created. I am create one more account with copy reference. Here I am selecting Rent Account. Click on Copy icon. Give available number in same group. Just we need to change short text and long text only. I am creating GL for office expenses. Remaining all fields automatically copied. If you required, you can select more fields. Click on Save. In this class we learnt how to create GL master data with reference. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe for more videos.